Excuse the strange clothes. It's late at night. We have a new post delivery. Post delivery? Delivery. It is post. From China. This one's from Shandong Weihai in Shandong province. Thanks, guys. So, let's try to enter without cutting myself too much. I don't trust myself with these knives. Wow, it's well packaged. Well packaged. Oh my gosh, be careful. Be careful. Okay. Whoa. What is that? That's something I didn't expect to find in here. This package from China came all the way from Shandong. Thanks, guys, for the trucks, the airplanes. It says on the side, it says Eurobridge Advisory GmbH, which is German. Then Virginia STR2, is that Strauss 2? 35510 Buntsbach, Germany, Ubridge Outlook. There's no .com. And it says EC rep. Must be obviously it's a German box from Europe. Not. What's inside? Oh, it's a Pagani. Dudes, I love what you've written on the side. It is classic. Okay, let's open it up. See, another Pagani. Double Pagani day. So this one is from sale day on AliExpress. Whew, I'm so excited. Let's see. Okay, so we've got the cloth. Can you see that? This is the, I think, Patek Philippe Nautilus. But it's not. It's the Pagani designs with the seagull movement inside. Fooled you. So this one is $6.5 million cheaper than the real thing. Let's have a look. My first impressions. Let me move the camera so we can take a look. So this is the initial look. It's got a sticker. It says Sapphire in a very stylish 80s font. I like that touch. Can I get the protector off easily with one hand? Yes, perfect. See? Sapphire in 80s font. Wow, that's actually much better than I expected. I'm actually impressed. I was not expecting something of that quality to come through the post. First impressions. Wow, that color, it doesn't really do it justice. It looks much better in real life. It's got like a really nice Tiffany blue color. I mean, my first impressions of the finishing, you know, it's a bit sharp. It's nothing wrong with that. It looks pretty perfect. How do you open the bracelet? I see. It's simple if you've got two hands. And let's just look at the case back. Pagani Designs PD1728. So this cost me 6,000 yen in the sale, which is about $40, and I think that is a steal. Wow, that's actually a beautiful watch. Please don't tell anyone it's not a real and that I have millions of dollars in the bank to buy $6.5 million watch. All right, let's have a closer look. Even more. So I just set a time and manually wound it. The mechanism feels really a bit cheap compared to the Seiko NH35 movements that, for example, this one comes with, which is the Royal Oak copy. This is the Nautilus copy. Sorry, not copy, homage. I'm so sorry to say the C word. Yeah, it just feels not quite up to the standard of the other one. Let's put it on the wrist and see how it feels.